What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So the question is that is Ashworth College Worth for a divorced mom? The sad reality of our modern world is that we do not think before getting married, and then we do not think before getting or giving divorce. The problem in real world is that we are not willing to compromise. Again, I'm not talking about this particular mom. I'm just talking to reality. Whenever I heard someone is divorced, I'm personally hurt. May Lord help you. May Lord be with you. Amen. And then give you a better husband. Amen. Yeah, I'm really proud that you are willing to make a change. If you don't know, my opinion, Ashworth College is not so good, but at the end of the day, I still say the one of the cheapest online school in America or around the world for getting a social degree or some certificate. Again, if you are going to get a career diploma which can definitely help you, I will say go ahead. I mean, maybe you're working maybe a job and you're caring for your kid and then doing something online. Definitely I can highly recommend. I mean, do something like do a career diploma. For example, if you are interested in retail, I think they have a retail or something like that. Or I mean do something which you're passionate and then there's demand. Can I recommend? For most of people I do not recommend, but for something like this kind of situation person, yeah, at the end of the day I can easily recommend. If you have any more questions, do not feel to ask me again and again, or if you need any kind of my help, I'm always here. So to be honest with you, I'm hurt. Whenever I think they are divorced, they are widow, it hurt me deeply. Definitely go for it. Again, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.